Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you have already been here, if not, then welcome to my channel. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be Halloween part 2. On this one I'm going to have costumes of just individual costumes and then 2 couples costumes that go with it. So there's going to be 4 costumes in total, but 2 of the costumes are girls, 2 are boys or girls, either way, and then they can go together and be couples costumes. So that's kind of the point of this video. There's going to be couple costumes. The last one was animal costumes. The next one's going to be creative. It's just all so much fun. I love Halloween. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below your favorite costume, and let's get into it. First, I'm going to take this red lipstick crayon from Maybelline, and I'm going to use it as blush. So I'm just taking my blending brush and putting that on my cheeks. Now I'm taking my Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter, and I am highlighting my cheekbones and my Cupid's bow and my nose. And now I'm going to take my Stila Liquid Glitter eyeshadow, and I'm putting that all over my lids. And I am just blending that in. And now I am putting it on the inner corner of my eyes as well. Now I'm going to put some mascara on my eyes before I put my fake eyelashes on, because I feel like for a bachelorette you just need to have some fancy fake eyelashes. And at this point I would spray my all-nighter spray on. And here are those eyelashes I was talking about. They're foam mink eyelashes from Ardell, and I'm using my duo glue to apply those. And now I'm taking this lip gloss and just putting it on my lips to moisturize, because it has coconut oil in it, before I put on my red lipstick. And then I curl my hair in loose-ish curls for the bachelorette. Okay, now I'm going to add a bachelor to my bachelorette to make this a couple's costume. So my boyfriend dressed up in a nice blue suit, and he is going to be my bachelor. So I took some flowers and just cut off the top and then pinned it onto him for a little rose like they do on The Bachelorette for the contestants, and then he gave me a large rose like the Bachelor does for the contestants. So there's that. So cute. I love it for Halloween. Okay, now I'm going to do an eyeshadow look for a fox. And this fox is so cute. So I'm going to take this orange color and put it all over my lid and also my brow bone. And then I'm taking this blending brush and I'm going to blend in this darker orange from the Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to put this in my outer crease. And then this darker brown color and put that in the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this lighter shade and put that on the top of my brow bone to highlight. And now I'm going to put on some eyeliner and do a small little wing. And now I'm going to put on some mascara, and there we go for the eyeshadow look. And now I'm going to take this brown blush color and put it on my cheeks. And then I'm taking this darker eyeshadow and putting it on my cheeks for blush as well. And then I'm putting on my Laura Geller highlighter. And now I'm going to draw a little fox nose with this eyeliner I got from the dollar store. And I'm taking a white eyeliner and using that for my nose as well. Put in some white on there because foxes have white on their mouths and their little noses. Now I'm going to add some little dots and then a line for my smile. And then I'm going to top it all off with some fox whiskers. And I'm putting that highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes as well, and then using my Spice It Up MAC lipstick for my lips. And that is all for my fox costume.
Get my face makeup.
To make this a couple's costume, I'm going to add the Little Prince. I love the movie The Little Prince and the book The Little Prince. If you haven't seen it, here are pictures. But yes, Johnny, my boyfriend, was the Little Prince for this. Basically, he just wore a green shirt, green pants, yellow belt, brown church shoes, and a yellow scarf. And then here I am, the little fox. And that is all for my Halloween costumes for this episode. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below your favorite one and stay tuned for the next episode.